What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here, and in this video I will be walking you step by step on how to create your two-step funnel system using Systemeio and why I think this software is a better alternative to Clickfunnels or lead pages. So if you are a marketer like myself, if you're an online entrepreneur like myself, creating landing pages and creating funnels and email automations, they are a very vital part of our business, and you're also always looking for alternatives to services like Clickfunnels, like myself, because if you're just getting started, chances are you are, or maybe you're just looking for a cheaper alternative to Clickfunnels. Systemeio gives you all of the suite or all of the features that you will find in Clickfunnels, but for a much cheaper price, right? Now, let's go over the pricing Systemeio. So the first thing we want to consider is the fact that they have a free version of the software. And now with the free version, you're not just getting some garbage. You're actually getting space for up to 2,000 contacts, meaning if you have up to 2,000 emails inside of your business, you will be able to use Systemeio for absolutely free. And you can send unlimited emails, and you can also create up to 3 sales funnels and up to 10 funnel steps. You can create a blog, meaning you can create a blog with System for free, and you can create unlimited blog posts as well. You can set up automation rules, you can set up tags and email campaigns and one-click upsell. So this is actually very good for someone who is just getting started online. And let me not waste your time here. I'm just going to jump into how you can create your two-step funnel system. If you are a marketer like myself, chances are you're doing affiliate marketing and you want to create a funnel system that just collects emails, right? This is perfect for it. And I'm going to show you how you can do that exactly. So this is my dashboard right here. Right now, I currently have about 2,400 leads. I have more than that, but I'm just migrating my contacts into Systemeio because I've been trying this out for a few weeks now, and I'm just getting the hang of it, and I'm actually loving it. And that is why I'm actually creating a video for it right now. So here you will find your dashboard, which is where all of your emails and your new sign up is going to be on the right hand side of the screen right here. That's where every one of them is going to show up, right? Here on the on the menu right here, you will see all of your funnels. If you're creating a funnel, a two-step funnel, a sales funnel, whatever it is you're trying to create, it's going to show up right here. So currently I have 3 funnels inside of my account, and if you go here, you will see your email system, email automation system. You have your newsletter, you have your campaign, and if you go here, you will see your statistics, right? And here, the next tab, you have your blog. So this is where you create your blogs. If you are a business, a small business, and you want to use your Systemeio to create a blog for your business, you can use that. And the good thing is it can be indexed by Google. So if you set up your SEO the right way, you will be able to show up on Google search. So they have the automation. So this is where you set up your automations for your email newsletters, for your tags, for tagging your contacts, right? So you can do all of your automations of the good stuff, which I'm not going to get into very deeply into in this video, but you can do that here in the automation test section. And when you go towards the right hand side, you will see your products and sales section, and this is where you can set up your products. You can sell products with Systemeio. You can sell, digital products. You can set up your affiliates. If you have a product which you want to, an affiliate system for, you can create that with Systemeio. And also you can, enroll students. You can sell courses. You can sell subscription services. This funnel system is just like the full package when it comes to marketing funnels in the online marketing space, right? So what I really want to get into in this video is how to create your funnel system, your two-step funnel system. Maybe you want to start collecting emails, from your paid ads or from your organic marketing outreach. You want to start collecting emails, and that is exactly what I do. I keep it very simple. I keep it very, very straightforward because you don't want to inundate your audience with a lot of information, right? So let's go to the funnel section right here. So right now I have 3 funnels right here. I'm actively using one funnel because I have a TikTok account, I have a YouTube, which you're watching right now. And this funnel right here is what I use to collect emails as of right now. So let's say we want to create a new funnel, system. But by the way, I will be sharing with you this funnel that I use right now, that I'm using to collect emails. Right now I have over 2,000 emails, but I will be sharing that with you. If you're just getting started and you just want to copy my funnel and use it as yours, you can completely do that. All you have to do is change the images and the text if you want to. So check the link down in the description. You will be able to copy the funnel right there. All you have to do is click on that button and it will copy all of my funnel into your account. So let's try to create a two-step funnel system. Here you will come to the button that says create. And when you click on that, it's going to ask you if you want to build an audience, if you want to sell something, if you want to build a custom funnel from scratch. Maybe you have other needs, right? Or you want to run a webinar. And that's one of the things I failed to mention. You can run a webinar using Systemeio. You don't even have to sign up for Webinar Jam or Easy Webinar, any of these webinar services. You can do everything inside of Clickfunnels, and with their second tier, which is different from the free version, which is only $27. I mean, with $27 you can run a webinar. This is crazy what Systemeio is doing. So purpose of this video, we want to build an audience, we want to collect emails, right? So you click on that, but first of all, you want to name your funnel. Let's call it a test funnel, right? And right now I have my domain name linked, ifdanield.com, but let's say you don't have your domain, you just want to use the original domain that System offers you, right? You select that and you select build an audience. Now you want to select the currency which you want to operate in. If you will be selling something, of course you want to select the currency, but I'm going to leave it as US dollars. So we click on create. So now it's going to give us a couple of options. This is, the list of options that we can select from. They have a lot of templates that we can easily get started with, so we don't have to create from scratch, because chances are you don't even want to code anything, or you don't want to start from scratch. So we can just select from this template right here. So I'm just going to select from this one right here. Let's select the 3-step system autopilot, right? So let's try to view what we are working with. So this is what we'll be working with. You don't want to keep your customers waiting. You don't want to inundate them with a lot of information. If you are trying to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business online, or you're trying to build an online business, or you're trying to collect emails, you don't want to, force feed your audience with a lot of information. You just want to go straight to the point, and you want to collect the emails. Now, this is what we'll be working with here, right? For example, let's look at so this is what we'll be working with. So what you can do is come back here and click on the button that says edit page. So you want to click on that, and it's going to take you to the editor inside of Systemeio. So once you come here, you can edit the text, you can drag and drop, you can add, headline, you can add text, you can add video, you can do pretty much anything. So let's say we want to add an image, right? You can just drag the image item right here and bring it anywhere on the screen. So let's say I want to drag my image and I want to bring it right here. Boom. Let me select my file, I upload that, and it's going to show up right there. So you can easily insert your image, you can insert a video if you want to work with a video, and you can pretty much do anything. But as a beginner, as someone who's just getting started with building funnels, you want to keep it very simple. You want to keep it easy, straight to the point, collect the emails, and that's it. You just want to move on with your business, right? So let's say this is what you want, the 360 system to sell an autopilot, right? And that is what we want, okay? So you want to leave, of course, you want to collect email, you want to collect your first name, and you can change the text here. Say you want to change from send me the video training to let me in, okay? So you can change that right here to let me in. So as you can see, that is going to change on the screen, okay? And now once people, so let's save that. Okay, now that we've saved that, once they submit their information, so what's going to happen is it's going to take them to the next step. The next step is, popularly called the thank you page. So the thank you page is just telling your customers you acknowledge that they have submitted the email and you're thanking them for doing that, right? Then on the thank you page, you can send them to wherever you want to send them to. Maybe you want them to join your Facebook group, or you want them to subscribe to your YouTube channel, or to take an additional step. You can do that on the thank you page. Now, I'm just going to select one right here. Just for demonstration purposes, right? So this is the thank you page, which can just rename it as thank you, right? Thank you test. And now we want to edit the page. Now this is what's going to come up. Just like we edited our sign up page, our opt-in page, we want to edit the thank you page, right? So you can come here, you can delete this, you can edit what's on here. We can say thanks for signing. All right, so we can say thanks for signing up, and you can include a button. So on this button right here, we want them to join our Facebook group, right? So you can go to your Facebook, you copy the link, and you just paste it right here. Easy, right? So this is what is going to happen. So when someone actually opts into your landing page, when they go here and they put in the information, they put in the email, it's going to take them to the next page, and that is your two-step landing page system. And that is the same system that I've used to collect over 2,000 emails for myself. And that is not even talking about the over 68,000 emails that I've collected for my clients, right? So this is exactly what you do. This is how you collect emails, and this is how you use Systemeio. Now, if you're just getting started and you don't want to go through, the whole process of creating your landing page from scratch, you can just click the link in the description, and it's going to copy my own funnel, the one that I've created already, that I've tested over time. Now, let me show you exactly what it's going to look like on the back end. So this is the funnel that I use, right? I'm just going to show you the statistics on this funnel. So I've been testing this funnel with some traffic for the last 24 hours. And right now we have 37 page views and 9 conversions. So this funnel right here is actually converting at 24.3%, let's say 25%, and which is actually a very good number, because a typical funnel converts at anywhere from 20 to 35%, and this is actually converting at 25%. And I haven't really, done anything. I've just, created a funnel, and I've just been testing it out. But over time, I will be updating the funnel. I will be optimizing and making sure it converts even better. But for right now, you can go to the description down below, download the funnel, just one click, import into your account, and you're good to go. So this is how you use Systemeio. And let's go over the pricing one more time, just so you can have an idea what it looks like. You can get started for free, and you can pay from month to month. So even if you are, trying to get some more features, you can start with the $27 per month pricing structure, which will allow you to have up to 5,000 contacts inside of your funnel system. So I hope this video has been helpful, and if it has, please subscribe to this channel. We're trying to get over 1,000 in the next 2 months, and if we can do that, I'm going to be very happy. I'm going to be very appreciative of that. Anyways, my name is Daniel, and let me know in the comments if this video has been helpful, and I will see you in the next video.